Our first stop takes us to the dazzling Bahamas, an archipelago of over 700 islands and cays boasting some of the clearest turquoise waters on Earth. Seriously, you can see straight down to the ocean floor. It's that incredible. Picture this: powdery white sand beaches, gently swaying palm trees, and the warm Caribbean sun kissing your skin. The Bahamas is a dream destination for beach bums and water babies alike. Fun fact: did you know that the Bahamas is home to the world's deepest blue hole? It's called Dean's Blue Hole and plunges over 660 feet. Whether you're snorkeling alongside colorful fish and vibrant coral reefs, swimming with friendly pigs at Pig Beach, or simply relaxing in a hammock with a refreshing coconut in hand, the Bahamas offers a slice of paradise for everyone. Don't forget to try the local delicacy, conch salad, a refreshing blend of fresh conch, citrusy juices, and spices. It's the perfect taste of the Bahamas. Get ready to groove to the infectious beat of reggae music as we arrive in Jamaica, the birthplace of this iconic genre and a cultural powerhouse. From the moment you step foot on this vibrant island, you'll be swept away by the infectious energy, warm hospitality, and rich history. Explore the lush Blue Mountains, home to the world-famous Blue Mountain coffee, hike to cascading waterfalls, and immerse yourself in the vibrant culture of Kingston, the island's capital. Music lovers, get ready to experience the magic of reggae at its source. Visit the Bob Marley Museum, dedicated to the legendary musician, or catch a live reggae performance at one of the many music venues scattered across the island. And of course, no trip to Jamaica is complete without indulging in some jerk chicken or pork, marinated in a blend of aromatic spices and slow-cooked to perfection. It's a true taste of Jamaica. Next up, we're heading to the one happy island of Aruba, a true paradise for beach lovers and sunseekers. Known for its stunning white sand beaches, crystal-clear turquoise waters, and year-round sunny weather, Aruba is the perfect escape from the everyday hustle and bustle. Imagine yourself lounging on Eagle Beach, consistently ranked as one of the most beautiful beaches in the world, or snorkeling in the crystal-clear waters of Baby Beach, a haven for colorful fish and marine life. Aruba is also a hub for water sports enthusiasts. Try your hand at windsurfing, kitesurfing, or paddleboarding, or embark on a thrilling scuba diving adventure to explore shipwrecks and vibrant coral reefs. In the evening, indulge in a romantic dinner on the beach, savoring fresh seafood and sipping on a refreshing Aruba Araba cocktail as you watch the sunset over the Caribbean Sea. Get ready to experience the vibrant culture and rich history of Puerto Rico, the island of enchantment. Explore the colorful streets of Old San Juan, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, with its cobblestone streets, colonial architecture, and historic forts. Immerse yourself in the island's vibrant art scene, from traditional music and dance performances to contemporary art galleries and street art murals. Puerto Rico is also home to El Yunque National Forest, the only tropical rainforest in the United States National Forest System, where you can hike to cascading waterfalls, spot exotic birds, and immerse yourself in the lush rainforest canopy. And don't forget to indulge in the local cuisine. From mofongo, a flavorful dish made with plantains, to arroz con gandules, a savory rice dish with pigeon peas, Puerto Rican food is a delicious fusion of flavors. Calling all adventure seekers, our next stop takes us to the stunning island of St. Lucia, a true gem of the Caribbean known for its dramatic landscapes and thrilling outdoor activities. Hike to the top of the iconic Pitons, two volcanic peaks that dominate the island's skyline, for breathtaking views of the Caribbean Sea. Explore the lush rainforest canopy on a zip-lining adventure, go horseback riding along the beach, or take a mud bath in the therapeutic waters of the Sulphur Springs. For a truly unique experience, visit the world's only drive-in volcano. And after a day of adventure, unwind at one of St. Lucia's luxurious resorts, where you can relax on pristine beaches, indulge in rejuvenating spa treatments, and savor delicious Caribbean cuisine. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds as we arrive in Barbados, the culinary capital of the Caribbean. This vibrant island is a melting pot of flavors, with influences from Africa, India, and Europe, resulting in a unique and delicious cuisine. Don't miss out on trying the national dish, flying fish and cuckoo, a flavorful combination of steamed flying fish and cornmeal pudding. Indulge in fresh seafood at one of the many beachfront restaurants, sip on a refreshing rum punch, made with Barbados's world-famous rum, or explore the island's vibrant nightlife scene. Barbados is also home to stunning beaches, crystal-clear waters, and a rich history, making it the perfect destination for a well-rounded Caribbean getaway. Speaking of Caribbean getaways, I have included some great travel-related links in the description below. I hope you find them useful. Oh, the Dominican Republic. This island holds a special place in my heart. I remember my first trip to Punta Cana like it was yesterday. Picture this. Endless stretches of pristine white sand beaches, palm trees swaying gently in the breeze, and the bluest water you've ever seen. It was pure paradise. I spent my days lounging on the beach, sipping on pina coladas and swimming in the crystal clear waters. One day I even tried my hand at windsurfing. Let's just say I spent more time in the water than on the board, but it was so much fun. In the evenings, I'd explore the local markets, haggling for souvenirs and trying different street foods. The energy was electric, and the people were so friendly and welcoming. The Dominican Republic truly stole a piece of my heart, and I can't wait to go back someday. Get ready to party the night away as we arrive in Trinidad and Tobago, the twin island nation known for its vibrant nightlife, especially during Carnival. Carnival in Trinidad and Tobago is a sight to behold. Imagine a kaleidoscope of colors, elaborate costumes, pulsating music, and infectious energy. It's a non-stop party that lasts for days, and everyone is invited to join in the celebration. But Trinidad and Tobago is more than just Carnival. Explore the island's lush rainforests, discover hidden waterfalls, and immerse yourself in the unique blend of cultures that make this destination so special. Don't miss out on trying the local cuisine, a flavorful fusion of Indian, African, and Creole influences. From doubles, a popular street food dish, to callaloo, a savory stew, your taste buds are in for a treat. Get ready to step back in time as we arrive in Cuba, an island frozen in a bygone era. Explore the colorful streets of Old Havana, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, with its vintage cars, crumbling colonial architecture, and vibrant music scene. Visit the Plaza de la Revolucion, a significant historical site, and learn about Cuba's rich history and revolutionary past. Take a salsa dancing class, sip on a refreshing mojito, and immerse yourself in the unique charm and culture of this captivating island. Cuba offers a glimpse into a different world, a world where time seems to stand still and the rhythm of life moves to a different beat. Our next stop takes us to the breathtaking Turks and Caicos Islands, a true paradise for those seeking luxury and relaxation. Imagine yourself lounging on Grace Bay Beach, consistently ranked as one of the most beautiful beaches in the world, with its powdery white sand and crystal-clear turquoise waters. Indulge in world-class dining experiences, unwind at luxurious resorts, and explore the underwater world with incredible snorkeling and diving opportunities. Swim with friendly stingrays at Gibbs Cay, go whale watching, or simply relax and soak up the sun in this idyllic island paradise. Turks and Caicos offers the perfect blend of luxury, natural beauty, and tranquility, making it the ultimate escape from the everyday. And there you have it, fellow adventurers. We've explored some of the most incredible Caribbean islands, each with its own unique charm and allure. From the Bahamas to Turks and Caicos, the Caribbean offers a slice of paradise for everyone. I hope this video has inspired you to add a few, or all, of these destinations to your travel bucket list. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it and subscribe to my channel for more travel adventures.